Nearly 2 in 5 students in the 12th grade report past year vaping, raising concerns about brain health and the potential for addiction.
However, despite this ongoing and rising problem of vaping, only 1 in 7 individuals receive treatment.
This is due to 2 main reasons. First, current solutions are quite expensive, with therapy ranging from $100 to $300 per hour. Second, there is a negative stigma associated with drug use that discourages people from obtaining treatment. Many people fear being judged by their peers.
So how exactly do we address the growing issue of vaping? Well, we created an app called VAPEscape that contains 2 main features to help individuals overcome their addiction to vaping. The first main feature is a personalized chatbot. A user can ask a question about their symptoms or triggers to the chatbot, and the chatbot will be able to give a personalized response back.
Our second main feature is a support group. Our app will contain community forums that will allow users with the same goal of quitting vaping to reach out to each other. This will create a community encouraging individuals and providing them with positive peer support. Studies have proven that group therapy is effective as it reduces isolation and allows others to witness people's recovery processes.
So how exactly does the technology behind our product work? Our chatbot is largely inspired by Wobot, an app that uses the chatbot to improve mental health. We plan on basing our chatbot on a similar model. However, we also want to add personalization by allowing users to type in a free-form response and analyzing that message through natural language processing techniques and giving a response back. The following steps are taken on a user's message to the chatbot. First, we use pre-trained word embeddings from models like Word2Vec and Albert. The sentence is split into words using a slang-aware tokenizer. Then, the words are converted into their root and stem through a stemmer and lematizer. We then find the nouns and categories of nouns in the user's speech through named entity extraction. We store these entities for future use and classify the intent and sentiment of the user. We then look up a response in a dictionary and output the response based on what the best strategy is. Finally, we get responses from the user to confirm the conversation is moving in the right direction. As we continue to develop the chatbot, we also plan to use the latest natural language processing techniques like LSTM, BERT, and Albert to improve the natural language understanding of users' answers, do a better sentiment analysis of user statements, and generate more meaningful answers. The technology for our support group will be built using existing technology for community forums like Flarum. Our product eliminates cost and negative stigma and reduces the personalization and quality of treatment. However, it does raise accessibility to treatment and advice and also creates anonymity and connections between individuals who vape. This shows the value of our product because although we sacrifice treatment quality, we create a more accessible option for treatment and a community among vapers. This is a strategy canvas which compares our product with the rest of the industry across a few key factors. It's clear that through VAPEscape, we increase anonymity, a support group, and accessibility to treatment. The following is our buyer utility map for our product. We focus more on convenience and simplicity throughout the 6 states of the buyer experience cycle. Our product is an app, which means that purchase, delivery, use, and maintenance is relatively simple and convenient. In contrast, the current industry focuses more on the productivity or effectiveness of the use of therapy and medication. The map shows the value of our product because we're focusing more on accessibility, which is helpful since only 1 in 7 individuals are receiving treatment right now. Our primary target market are teens aged 13 to 18. In 2017, 42.5% of 12th graders reported vaping during their lifetime. Our secondary target market is adults aged 18 to 29. In 2019, 20% of these individuals reported vaping regularly. Overall, the nicotine de-addiction product market is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 20.2%, leading to a global revenue of $39.5 billion by 2023. Our app will be released on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, and we will generate revenue through ads by using Google AdMob.